Welcome back. I'm Chris Sikora, and I'm going to step you through exercise 25, which is lofted sheet metal creation inside SolidWorks 2020. With the loft technique here, you could make it, like we're going to make it from like a rectangular shape to a circular loft between, but you can make a circle to a circle, thus making like a cone. Unlike exercise 24, which you saw earlier, this is actually much more preferred as a method, I would say. So let's begin. We're going to first offset a plane 6 inches forward. So let's start a new part. Click on the front plane and click on the Show button. That way you'll see the plane. Now you could go ahead and hold Control, hover over the edge of the front plane with the tip of your pointer. And while you're holding Control, depress the mouse button. Drag it forward and then release both buttons. And over here on the left, just type in 6 and hit the green check. Now, if you don't see the planes, you just have to go to View, Hide Show, and make sure Planes is turned on. All right, let's begin with the front plane. Start a sketch, and we're going to draw a rectangle first. So I'm going to go with center line because I want to draw a symmetric rectangle here. And I'm going to do something interesting with that. I'm going to select that center line, go to Tools, and Sketch Tools, and turn on Dynamic Mirror. Now go to the Line tool. And down below here, hovering down below here somewhere, click, drag this out, go across maybe about 3 inches, click, drag it straight up, go about 4 inches, click, go across and leave it open like about 2.5 inches at the top there, and then hit Escape. Now go to the Sketch Fillet. Set your sketch fillets to 1. Hit Enter and select each corner. If you get a little message, that's okay. And hit the green check. Okay, now hit the green check again. Go to Smart Dimension, and let's put in some parameters here. So select this line here. Let's make it 4 inches. And then select these 2 lines here and here. And we'll go ahead and make that 6 inches. And then the opening, we'll make that 0.01. And to locate it, just locate the center 2 inches. Now we could hit Rebuild. Rotate it a bit, select Plane 1, start a sketch. Let's go to the front view orientation. Now use the center point arc, and we're going to do the same thing. Click here, drag this around, and now draw another center line and Control select those geometries, the 2 endpoints and the center line, and make them symmetric. Go and dimension this diameter at 1.5 inches, and then the opening at the same 0.01. Now hit Rebuild. Now we could go ahead and go to the Sheet Metal tools and go to Lofted Bend. On the left, you could pick up on a number of different options. We'll go ahead and make the sheet metal parameter here the thickness 0.06. We'll leave it at that actually. And let's select this and then this. And you'll see the loft between them. Now you have faceting options. There's chord tolerance, number of bends, and you could increase the facet value to your liking, segmented length, segmented angle. We'll go with number of bends and hit the green check mark. You could go ahead and click on these and hide the planes. And now just go to, you could go to flatten, or if you want, you could go to fold and unfold if you're going to do more work to it. So if you go to flatten, we'll get the information. And there you can see the distinctive advantages that a little extra time, because all you're doing is creating an additional plane. So figure it's really not that much time to do it. And you can make an outstanding little part here very quickly. And that concludes exercise 25.